Are you getting Roku error while watching the Max channel? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you are using the right network and password and that other devices can connect to the same Wi-Fi network. You can also try restarting your router or testing your Wi-Fi signal. If you are using a cellular data connection, try connecting to a wireless network instead. Method 2. Restart your Roku device. Restart your Roku streaming device. You can do this from the settings menu. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll and select settings. Choose system. Then power. And finally system restart. Method 3. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both your modem and router from power. Wait for about 10 seconds. Then plug them back in. Allow your modem and router to fully restart. Confirm that your internet connection is working using a phone, tablet, or computer. Method 4. Perform a software update. Ensure your Roku device is running the latest firmware. To update the firmware, go to Settings, then select System. Then select Software Update. If updates are available, install them. Method 5. Clear Roku cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times and then press the up arrow button. Now press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 6. Update the channel. Next, you can update the channel on which you are getting the error. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then wait for the app to update. And finally, press OK. Method 7. Remove and reinstall affected channels. If the issue is with a specific channel, try removing it and then adding it back. Restart your Roku first to ensure the process is successful. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it. You shouldn't get the error. Method 8. Disable your VPN or proxy service. If you're getting a message that says this is uncharted territory or not available in your region yet, your IP address might be blocked or incorrectly identifying your location. In this case, disable your VPN or proxy services if you are using one. Then reopen the channel and check. And there you have it, the way to fix errors while watching the Max channel. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.